Hello. Welcome to Speak Easy, the podcast where we break down English learning into easy, powerful steps you can actually stick with. I'm your host, and I'm so glad you're here because one of the questions I get all the time from my students is this: how do I actually get good at English? Not just memorizing grammar, but really speaking it, feeling confident, and using it in real life. That's what this podcast is all about. And today, we're starting with one of the most powerful but most overlooked tips: the power of daily practice. You've probably heard this advice before. Practice every day. And honestly, it sounds easy. But most people don't follow it because we think we need hours or a teacher or something fancy. But here's the truth. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need consistency. Let's break this down. When you practice English every day, you're constantly training your brain. It's like physical exercise. Muscles grow stronger the more you use them. Same with your language skills. The challenge most learners face isn't a lack of intelligence, it's staying consistent. Think about this. How many times have you studied English for a few hours only to forget most of it later? Or how many times have you told yourself you'll study tomorrow and tomorrow never comes? Let me tell you about one of my Vietnamese students. She was super motivated at first, studied English 2 hours a day for 3 days. Then life got busy. She dropped off. But she didn't give up entirely. She changed her approach. Instead of dedicating long hours, she committed just 15 minutes a day. She listened to a short podcast while doing dishes, read 1 page of a book before bed, and even practiced speaking in the mirror. Fast forward 3 months, and she was speaking more confidently than ever before. Why? Because daily practice keeps your brain engaged. You stop translating. You start thinking in English. Try this 10-10-10 rule. 10 minutes of listening, 10 minutes of reading, 10 minutes of speaking or writing. Don't have 30 minutes? Cut it to 5 minutes each. The key is to show up every day, no matter how small the step. Let's try it right now. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. I can practice English every day. Even 10 minutes makes a difference. Fluency starts with small steps. Feels good, right? It's that simple. Here's a mindset shift. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. Learning a language is like planting a tree. You water it daily, and one day it blooms. Small actions lead to big results. If you can commit to just 5 minutes a day, you'll start seeing growth. So today, just do one thing. Listen to a song in English. Describe your breakfast in English. Write down 3 new words. Just 1 step. Then tomorrow, another. Keep it simple, but keep it consistent. Thanks for joining me today on Speak Easy. If this episode gave you a boost, share it with a friend who's learning too. And don't forget to follow so you never miss an episode. Remember, your fluency is just a few minutes a day away. Catch you in the next one.